Right, so in this video we'll be covering setting up Visual Studio Code. This is my preferred IDE for running Python scripts, but I mean, if you guys want me to do a video on any other IDE setup, then I'll go through that as well. We'll just be using one simple Python line of code, print hello world, which we'll go over in a video about print statements. But for now, the basic scope of this video is to set up syntax highlighting and the ability to run Python code on your machine. I'll provide links in the description to both Visual Studio Code and Python, which you need to download both of them. And that's it. So let's get straight into the content. Right, so let's start the timer and get straight into the content. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is open up Visual Studio Code, and I'll provide links to this in the description as well as the Python download link if you don't already have it downloaded. So I've already got this as typed in, but for Mac just type in VS and it should come up if you've installed it. For Windows just do the same for Cortana. Right, now when Visual Studio Code opens, the first thing we need to do is get it ready to receive Python code. The first thing to do that is to go into extensions, type in Python, and on the first one hit install. For me, I've got uninstall because it's already installed, but if it's not installed, you should see a green button similar to this. Right, next step, create a file. So for me, the shortcut is Command N, or you could just go to File, New File. Right, we're going to be using a very simple print statement, which is how you display text to the screen in Python. I'll go into this in depth when we actually get to more coding, but for now just know that it's print, speech marks, and the text, so hello world. When you usually use an integrated development environment or IDE, you would expect to see syntax highlighting, which I'll explain again in an in-depth video. For now just know press Command K, then M, and then type in Python to enable syntax highlighting. Final step is to run, so save in a place that fits you best, and save it like that, and do start debugging, then Python file, and you'll see that it has run. So again, all the stuff I'll go in more detail later, but for now, thanks for watching, and remember to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.